Good afternoon, Church Fam. Kumusta tayo? Malamig na hapon po sa inyong lahat. Pero itong balita ko, mainit-init pa. I just wanna let you know that after 2.5 years of serving as one of the co-founders of Rebuild City Church, I just wanna let you know that I have resigned as a senior pastor ng Rebuild Online ng Rebuild City Church since June 20 of 2025. Hindi po naging madali yung journey natin in establishing the church, pero sobrang worth it dahil nakasama ko kayo. But you know what? In Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 1, it says there's a time for everything. And I guess this time, I feel that the Lord is leading me to a new season. Hindi dahil napagod or sumuko tayo, kundi dahil we want to obey God sa new assignment na ipapagawa niya sa amin and my whole family. I'm gonna miss our church. Alam niyo naman po yan, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Pero huwag na kayo malungkot, mahalin nyo naman, makita-kita rin tayo soon, di ba? Ako naman lagi lang naman nandito. We will continue to share, of course, the passion po in sharing the gospel and of course making disciple. As an evangelist, I always have, alam niyo na yan, a heart for the lost, whether sa marketplace or families. Kaya po, hindi ito paalam. This is a new chapter po that we hope you will stand with us in prayer as we enter this new season ng buhay namin. And we're excited to see how God will move in His amazing ways as we continue to preach the gospel and make disciples. Abangan nyo na lang po yung mga susunod na ganap sa ipapagawa sa atin ni Lord. Definitely will keep you posted. Madali lang naman po ako mahanap. Okay, lalo na sa mga social media channels natin from TikTok all the way to Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Pastor Jeff.ph, The Daily Brad, nandyan lang naman po yan. So, continue praying for us and I will continue to pray for you as well as a church. Alam niyo namang love na love ko kayo. So, once again, thank you so much for those 2.5 years that I will really cherish for the rest of my life. Thank you, Rebuild City Church fam. God bless you and God bless us all.